Kevin here from Capital Tech Solutions. In this video, I'm going to show you how to like, comment, or share a post that you made on your business account to your own personal account. So it's a question that we get all the time from our clients, especially from clients that we manage their page for, but they also have admin access to. They want to come and they want to like, comment, or share it from their own personal page, but when they try to do that, it tries to share it or like or comment as the business page. So when you come to an actual post, I have an example post here from Capital Tech Solutions. So I'm one of the admin for this Facebook account. So if I were to come to this post, for example, if I like it, it's going to like it as Capital Tech Solutions. If I comment on it, it's going to be a comment from Capital Tech Solutions. If I share it, it's going to be sharing to the Capital Tech Solutions page. I want to like it on my own personal page or comment or share on it from my own personal page. So in order to do that, you have to come right here to this little button and you click the drop down and then you select your personal page. So once I select that, then it will then switch over to my own personal page. So when I like it, you'll notice that now it's liking it as my own personal page, not as Capital Tech Solutions, and the same is going to be for if I comment on it or share it. So yeah, hopefully this video is helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave them below in the comment section. Also, please subscribe to our channel as we do come out with several tutorial videos for digital marketing, for e-commerce. We also are coming out with tutorial videos for WordPress as well, so make sure to subscribe. Thank you for watching.